Odogwu, tell us about your show.
Yeah, so this Sunday, I don't call him on Sunday. This Sunday, August 16, Lagos go catch fire. We say, somebody go come. He say, who won't call Lagos for my hand? Lagos go catch fire this Sunday, August 16, live at the Emotion Center, Shell Hall. It is standing ovation with me, Odogwu, and my other colleagues. My senior colleagues, them will come. Okay, Bakasi go there.
Okay.
Godos go there. Gandoki go there. Buchi, Emeka Smith, Bash, Funny Bone Senator, musician, Black Magic, the second master, MC Galazi, Solid Star, Dekunle Gold, Jafet Star Vintage Band. He's going to be mad on Sunday.
May I ask you a question? All these names where they call, so you they pay them because everybody come be like say if when una do show una go yours gather una say like you know that film 300.
Yes.
You they pay them.
You know the reason why? You know why I appreciate this our work comedy industry. We they support our own. Now, if they support our own, you just be like say, for example, now if you never marry, don't marry. No. Anytime when you want marry, your bridal trip, they go support you.
Okay. So
support you dance. Support you dance.
Some people they pay their bridal something.
So they go support you dance. When they don't reach where they can't leave you go. So they come support me. Actually, it's my show. I'm gonna be on stage for 1 hour. No, nobody died.
No, it's just you only an hour for thank God to say they all come and support you. In sickness and in health, for better, for worse.
So, now my show, so I'm going to be performing 1 hour 15 minutes on stage. I just want to do my best.
Only 1 hour 15 minutes.
You know the reason why? If you want to do show yearly, now, for example, this year, I don't. If I want to do the show, nobody the joke I go talk this year. I go talk next year. The essence of me doing joke is to tell the audience, says this is the new material, the new jokes.
Okay.
Where I won't talk, where nobody.
So that when another person they talk and they go, no, sir, now you first talk.
My own joke, yes. So
live band comedians.
They're too much. So it's going to be mad.
Live band comedians.
So it's going to be mad on Sunday, man. It's going to be crazy.
Well, before we come back to you, and Follycasid. Which time?
Well, now 5 p.m. Tickets are selling 5 p.m. Tickets are selling very fast.
I think they say tickets don't sell finish.
No, I think tickets are selling very fast.
No, where?
now, if you don't come quickly by 5, if you stand, because the name of the show, Standing Ovation, people sit down here. You don't come early. Ticket no cost. Now regular 5,000, VIP 10,000. Then table for 8 is 300,000. But there's one thing we. Area tickets where you go buy ticket they do. If you buy them now before that day, there's a discounted rate for you.
Wait, before you come to that part, you get on the same market.
Discounts.
In wife there has a watch out.
House rent must complete.
Now, tomato. No vex, eh?
No be tomato.
Okay. Folashade abi?
Folake.
No, what is the full name? Folake.
Folake Atunde.
What is the mean? What's in there in front of the Folake or behind the Folake?
Is Oluwa Folakemi.
Yeah. Now your name
Oluwa Folakemi.
Yes.
Atunde. Now, I beg, no vex. What did make you choose the name Follycasid? Because you not see another name. You not see Folakemi cakes.
I don't know.
Or Kemi cakes.
Or Folly cakes.
Or Folly cakes. Or cake falling. Or Folke. Now Follycasid. Very soon we go see chloroquine cake. Or alamon cake. Or Puritan cake.
Oh my God.
Or typhoid cake. Or Ebola cake.
I don't know. Ebola virus.
Ebola
virus. They are calling somebody Ebola.
Why would they go call cake?
Nedu, I need to check my name on your phone. The organ phone says my name.
No, your name is Katim. You know now.
IzyBeatz. I don't know how you say
my
name.
This one, in name. Hey, don't worry, don't go there. Now, what did make you choose the name Follycasid?
Yeah, why I chose the name Follycasid is because my auntie...
Okay, sorry. Why I chose the name Follycasid is
you
because
want to say you speak English.
Okay. Please talk to the hands.
Sorry.
Holla.
Why I chose the name Follycasid?
Sorry, I don't... Meanwhile, if you go back now, you don't go know her. She go say, madam, now you know me this kind of thing.
I speak Yoruba.
Okay. Ìdí tí mo ṣe mú orúkọ Follycasid. Seriously, let me come down to Nigeria. Okay. Why I chose the name Follycasid is because okay, what is chosen in pidgin? What is chosen in pidgin?
Why I choose?
I'm from Kwara State.
Kwara State. They don't speak broken for them.
No.
He said, no be no. Nah. Katim, you don't chop this night.
Nah.
You're going to get tomorrow.
Nah.
this girl go forget what you want.
Excuse
He rehearse. Before we come on set, he rehearse. He got the rehearsal.
Okay, talk as he take beat. Talk him.
Okay. Why I chose
no,
the name?
make you talk to Odogwu translate. Which can you dey sell Folic Acid? You know sabi speak broken. How you go sell to Osho?
How you translate? Why I chose the name Folic Acid?
Why he choose that name, Folic Acid?
My aunt gave it to me when I was a kid.
He say he auntie give her when in the small.
So I just thought.
Is he kid or a kid? Because can you know where did I do?
No.
Yeah, a kid. I can't be all this. ISIS and Nini here.
Why you auntie give you Folic Acid? You dey drink Folic Acid?
Say when this small. Say when this small. Okay.
Yeah. So, if she wants to get something from me,
he say if you want to collect something from him,
or if she wants to send me on an errand,
he say if you want to send a message,
she'll be like, Folic Acid.
She go talk say Folic Acid.
Where you grow?
Lagos.
Folic Acid. How do they call Folic Acid? Music on Folic Acid. This Lagos. Where they say, only one Folic Acid. Folic Acid. Now from shoe they go take. What's it
Hey, so your auntie can go Folic Acid.
You say Folic Acid. Help me get this, and with that, you know, my head will turn on and I'll be like, okay, fine, let me help you get
Oh, you like the name Folic Acid?
Yes. Instead of, you know, for Folake, people bearing Folake, they normally call them, their nickname is usually Flaky or Folly.
Or Flakes.
Yeah, or Flakes.
Name don't spoil this thing. You know, since I meet one girl, I asked her, excuse me, lady, what is your name? Say, my name is Grace, but you can call me Grr. The one way don't pay me back, that one was small. I don't know, I say, please, she say, excuse me, my name is Juliana, but you can call me Juju. Juju. And I say, name no name. Yes,
no, but seriously, everybody has a nickname.
But why? Yeah, everybody get a nickname. But what are you contact with? So, well, okay. Now I understand why you choose Folic Acid.
Yes.
Now another question.
For business purpose now.
For business,
You don't. People know the question.
people know the question.
Yeah, I do, yes. But I'll tell them Folic Acid is just, they know Folic Acid. On the normal day, the normal drugs, Folic Acid, it works for the blood, I guess. Yes, it works for blood.
You guess.
Yeah, no, seriously. Yes.
Guess. Now your guess. Now your guess.
You don't realize this thing.
If you are not, if
Why I go to chop cake? I go to think, they chop Folic Acid.
No,
When
you chop the cake, you go to say, oh, I'm chopping blood.
Okay, fine, it works for the blood now, so
It works
it's
for the
good.
blood. It's good.
It's good.
Give me 5. I don't mind. Don't let them threaten you.
Okay.
We are the one intervening there. It's our show. It's our show. All that other my people now Folic Acid show with this show. No matter, we can't threaten you.
Now,
I do your side.
You go to school?
Yes, I went to school.
Idiot, keep quiet.
You be a manager?
How you go take the intimidator?
He's my interpreter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Now some people think they get belly. It's my interpreter.
So you know they go market.
Yeah, why? Sure.
Should they go
So
market
what do
now?
they speak when you they enter that kind? You know they enter show.
She know they go nearby market.
I go with my bodyguard.
She know they go nearby market. She they go all these big supermarkets where they froze all those where they put for free. She talk to the cashier. Excuse me, can I get Folic Acid?
You know say you follow. You know say she follow some people enter the studio. I don't know. Maybe not to ask them later whether she did.
No, not why you worry yourself. Calm down. Now, you go to school.
Yeah,
You don't finish school, ABCD school.
I've finished.
Which school you go?
You're finished.
I went to the Polytechnic Ibadan.
Hey, Honani! Polytechnic Ibadan!
What did she study?
Excuse me, it's private polytechnic, not public. Both private. They speak English. Their school fees high. How can you be paying 2 million and say school fees? You want to, if you want to send me, they call me dad. You want to call me back. You want to call me back. I will kill you.
Okay.
You're going to call me back.
Sorry, point of correction. You made a mistake there. Polytechnic is not a private school. I'm sorry.
No, private polytechnic
It's
day
a
now.
private polytechnic.
Private
No, the
polytechnic day.
Polytechnic Ibadan.
Hey!
Yes.
I'm helping you.
People watching at home. Watching us at home. It's a lie. She's lying. Seriously, I want to be through here.
Finish up.
Okay.
Okay, no. I'm helping you. You say
Okay, yeah, help me.
I will defect from this party to this party. When the party is not offering me good anything, I'll go and take I'll be the flag bearer of this party.
Which flag bearer, you idiot?
Home.
Now, may I ask you, what if
they go beat us.
your I beg if you not go wait first up before you begin flash the pictures of our cake. What it make you begin and do cake? You not do tailor.
No, she do cake for Polytechnic.
You do cake for Polytechnic?
No.
So,
I had office tech and management. Office technology and management.
Office cake tech. You want to resemble? Cake tech.
Office tech and management.
Office tech.
Tech and
So all
management.
the technology waiting for office.
Techno, yeah.
Okay, make it
More
for
of
manage.
secretarial administration.
Oh, secretary.
Yeah.
The way they changed name now, secretary they call them before now.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's not
It's not
modernized.
secretary, secretary.
Yeah.
Secretary.
Secretary.
Okay.
Secretary.
So when you come make you enter making of cake?
No,
Yeah, I actually have flair
My
for
brother
it.
na hustle.
And
He finish work no day.
He say flair. Excuse me. Don't insult my guest. Flair. That's passion.
yeah.
Okay.
The passion. Enthusiasm.
Yeah.
You don't know nothing. You don't know nothing.
I just came from
Come on here, we gonna know something.
United. What you call that?
United. So
United.
when you begin make cake?
That was year 2012.
Okay, 2012 or same 2012.
Excuse me. She can't speak what you are speaking.
Okay.
2012. Who pollutes her tongue?
Most see some pictures of the
not
cake where
quarrel.
she they make. Most some pictures of the cake where she
Of
they
folic
make.
acid cake.
Of folic acid cake.
Oh, beautiful.
It's cocoa candy.
Oh, yeah, so
Folic
cake
acid dey inside.
Na shoe be that. Yeah. Na shoe, look butin.
Beautiful.
No,
Is this she sabi walk?
Can you do this thing?
Yes. Is this she sabi walk? Now, respect her from now.
What are you not talking about?
You see her?
Hey! My sister, you are good, though.
You see her?
By the color of the cake.
Oh, beautiful.
It's my by there.
You put blue rose.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
beautiful.
sister in the Lord.
Only you. Hey!
Sister in the Lord, you are
Cake
trying.
come
though.
get antenna.
Get antenna. No, just in case network not there. What will be this one?
It's
Na
a
drum.
talking drum.
Oh,
Yeah.
talking drum.
For traditional.
Oh, traditional wedding. So if they want chop all this cake, where they want start from?
They can start anywhere.
No, they start from the bottom.
From the bottom.
No, if you want to cut your birthday cake,
yeah.
you start from the edge,
Bottom.
like no.
About.
As in the top.
I understand now. Nedu, don't claim me now. That thing where you.
Nedu,
You understand?
Nedu, we have we have
Now, if Mama ask you, what thing make you, when you sit down, I don't laugh, Kata don't they do me.
Sorry.
What thing make you laugh? Hey, I say laugh.
Waiting they enter your head when you sit down there.
When you begin to do cake.
It's just being creative. You know, you just think about something like, fine, if you want to make something like this telephone, for instance, sure, I should just try and be creative with what I want to do. I can just look at it or just...
Sorry, excuse
Wait
me.
first. So you they tell us say you can reproduce this exact same
Wait,
thing.
I don't
Yeah.
want this one. Can you produce Nedu for me? I will chop up. When you produce, I just chop Nedu. Don't come.
So you go sit down for your house, they use knife.
They
say,
use that. They
"Father."
can you see your hand? That
How many
That's not
years?
a problem. Now money killer.
you see her?
How many years don't they do cake so far?
Oh, you don't know how to speak pidgin, but you can't say you are money killer.
Nah. When it come money, sabi speak pidgin.
worry.
That is not a problem. Now money killer.
Eh.
So how long you don't they do this cake for?
It's going to 2012, this 2000, let's say 4 years, going to 4 years.
And you don't they smiling to the bank.
You they make money.
Yeah, yes.
So if like one of your cake, then like how much?
My cheapest is 5,000 for fondant.
for fondant.
Yeah,
Fondant.
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 Lower
Fondant.
design,
That's
yeah.
the chemical.
No.
Fondant, not be dance.
No, fondant. We have something, we have butter icing, we have fondant. So, for fondant, my lowest is...
My brother. Yamio. Hey.
Hello, you can't understand the things of the spirit. He said the Bible said that the things of the carnal is being understood by the carnal man, but the things of the spirit is being understood by the spirit.
Thank you. I agree.
Hallelujah.
It's okay, my sister.
My sister, make I ask
So
you
we don't
again.
do cake for 2.5.
We don't
have
fit
of the cake.
No.
Do half of the cake now.
That cake fair is too
Person, we just they start. He never chop cake before. Make I try do cake. I can't do 5,000. So I get a minute. I can't I do 2.5 cake.
You just divide them into half.
For butter icing, you can get for 3K5. That's the smallest.
It's not
size.
quarrel now. We just say that 5,000 divided into 2. Do the same cake, divide it.
So far on top cake making of caking. Hell. On top of
Caking of making.
caking of making. What be your challenge so far? Then if you not feel speaker for pidgin, make it interpret for us.
My challenge is having competitors. I have competitors anyway.
My dear, it's not man now.
Yeah.
It's not that It's not man now. Not true now. If you don't get competition. Yes. Competition. Yes. We don't like rival.
Yes.
We are not polygamous in our family.
I'm kept
One.
polygamy.
Business.
Polygamy take 10
So, and now if you marry two. Okay, now try fuck up.
You get that? Now, man, ask you. So far, what's in business be like?
It's been booming. It's okay.
No, as you don't they make money, that's booming.
Yeah.
Oil boom in 1973. Oil boom.
So,
Money
the boom.
making.
So, you don't blow. Boom. It explode.
Boom.
It's booming.
Like, it's not be everywhere.
profitable.
Excuse, not be everywhere go. No go do boom for Kano. No go do boom for Kano. Just say I'm making money, but you can use boom here in Lagos.
Apart from making of cake, what would be the other things where you do?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah.
So, cake is your passion.
Yes.
Cake is my passion for life. No, it's his passion now.
Yes.
It's her passion. So
Now, one quick question I go ask you. So your mama pay school fees for you.
Yes.
Yes. Go school finish. Throw away certificate. See no cake
You know one of the things where I learn. One president.
He answer for her.
I answer for him because I'm supporting her.
No, you are interpreting. Let me answer that. Thank you.
Answer. Answer.
Well, I went to school. After school, after 7. Okay.
no,
That's 2012.
speak this one for Yoruba.
Talk for Yoruba.
Okay. In 2012. I went to school. Okay.
Tell me.
2012, I started.
Will you keep quiet? Speak Yoruba.
Okay, 2012. Nimo bere cake making. I actually have a boss.
Hey!
I have a boss.
You don't go make
No.
You will not make it for my sister.
You will not make it for English. Okay.
Òun ńlá lohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀, ìkan ńlá nǹkan ń bẹ. Òun ńlá.
Okay, as I was saying.
Okay.
So I have bosses though. I have 3 of them.
Which boss? Which one? Is it
cake bosses?
Okay.
Cake bosses.
Boss.
Boss.
Okay,
Oga.
Okay.
My Oga.
Okay.
Mologa.
Okay.
Meta.
Okay.
So I have. Can I mention their names?
No. Yeah, you can.
Yeah. Say speak
I have
Yoruba.
Sheyi. Okay, Moni Sheyi Cake Boss. I have Femi Unique Cakes.
Okay.
This girl feel example.
No, we go open phone
I'm
line.
used to it.
Okay, hold on.
Take 1, 2, 3 calls.
Just 2 or 3 phone calls. Make una call.
This one don't pass.
It don't pass us. I beg, phone lines, phone number there on top of TV now. Make we take 2 or 3 calls. Talk to this girl because I don't know how this girl take pass her exam.
I don't know.
I was supporting before, but you tell me interpreter. You answer by yourself.
You get boyfriend?
Yeah, of course.
What's in your
What to
boyfriend?
be of course? Don't say of course. Not be a friend.
What's in your boyfriend they do?
He's a computer engineer.
So I
Is
know.
it-
Computer engineer.
Go
Yeah.
say computer vulcanizer.
No, computer engineer.
I do the same thing now. You
No.
don't know that they used to do those things nowadays.
How many boyfriends you get?
Yeah.
One.
See,
Before God and man.
See our DJ. Look
I've
and
seen
where.
him. I've seen him.
Look and where.
Yeah, he's a cowboy. Come on.
Izzy, cut eye for him. Cut eye for him. No. Izzy, I beg. Help me.
No, as he cut eye for.
No, she don't first cut eye for IzyBeatz.
So return the cutting.
Return the cutting
eye.
of the. You are the cut. She's the cutter.
You know we
You
are not selfish in this show.
Don't be selfish.
What is
Cut
good
eye
for the
him.
goose
Cut
is
eye
good
him
for the
again.
ganga.
Cut eye for him.
He's the he's the cutter.
He's the cutty.
So we are the cutlers.
We are the cutlers. Now, from Norway, good evening.
Yeah, Nedu, good evening. How far?
I beg, talk to these people. Tell them your mind.
Odogwu, I greet you. Your head,
My brother, how you
Odogwu,
doing?
your head, correct.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
Hello?
So I wish I had that run. I could just come to your show.
Hey. Bros, you don't know what you go do. Just pick 2 people where you know for Nigeria. Tell them, say, may they come represent you for the show.
May him buy them ticket.
Yeah, make them buy ticket. You go just call them, say, okay, go the social
No,
show.
for fast, you talk now, I go do it.
All right, thank you, my brother. Thank you.
Talk now, I go do it.
Thank you.
Folic Acid,
Folic Acid.
Give her thank you. Mo go take another call. Hello. Who they make this one laugh?
You like, it's funny now.
Hello. Who they make you laugh now?
Good evening, Nedu.
Oh, no man.
Hello, Nedu.
Are you with me?
Yeah, with you, Nedu.
Who you want follow talk? Folic Acid.
I follow Nedu.
I'm going to not be fighting now. Follow me talk. Okay.
How body?
Your body they cloth in here.
I said, they really fine. That would fit you.
Football.
I said, that will fit you. I said, they fit you. Hello, Nedu.
Hey. Bye.
I said, hello.
Hey.
Are you hear me?
My brother, you will not make heaven.
Yeah.
Hello, who you on the line?
Hello?
General DJ Indo say,
No. DJ Indo say, he say, I better read waiting DJ.
why Odogwu they look this auntie like say na cake where he won't eat? Hey, listen to everybody in the house.
DJ IzyBeatz, I like you a cap, Joe. Person can say, nice handwork. DJ, baby, say, nice handwork, dear.
Folic
God
Acid.
bless you.
From Abuja, good evening. Hello?
Hello.
How is Magdalene? Maggie?
I have Magdalene. Hello.
Yeah, Maggie, how are you? Magdalene. Maggie, how are you?
I'm very fine. I'm calling from Abuja.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to know Abuja Kisi Abo.
I'm calling from Abuja.
We know now.
Okay. What I want to say, you are doing a nice job.
Thank
Nice
you.
job. I love this program, but whatever Folic Acid is doing is fake. I
Katim.
love her cake. They are so beautiful.
Oh.
They are so lovely, but whatever she's doing, she's spoiling her market. You need to be natural. You need to be good. You need to
So
express
then she
yourself.
dey speak Yoruba well. Thank you.
Make
Today,
sure you speak
speak Yoruba. Come on, so Yoruba. Maggie, thank you. God bless you.
Thank the Lord. Baba Ahmed say, IzyBeatz today, I that lady. Odogwu, I want Folic Acid. Oh, Folic Acid now your own. I want swallow to get better.
I know say case
Folic Acid. Folic Acid.
No. Call him.
Folic Acid. Folic Acid.
Good.
Maybe na her ringing tone be that. Folic Acid. Folic Acid.
Hello. Now, Folic Acid, you go stand up now. And we bring Folic Acid cake for us. Go and bring the cake for us now. Oh, no, your sister in the Lord, please bring it. Sister in the Lord,
Are
bring
you
it.
become model? Is this her sister?
No,
Or is
what
her
is her
bodyguard?
sister?
My friend.
Now, friend.
Now this one goes sabi and
Catwalk, catwalk. Stop. Catwalk.
Make you do as I do. Enjoy yourself, baby.
For those of you who never buy Odogwu tickets, buy me and Katim go there the show.
Now, so you not gonna let me talk the thought of it.
Oh, yeah, talk. Talk, don't be fine.
Reduce this thing. Now, market that's what must
Talk quick.
All right, quickly. If you want to get the ticket, you free go to ariatickets.com, quickteller.com, dealday.com, or jumia.com. But if you want to ask about the show,
They not fit where I'm for venue.
wait it. If you want to ask about the show, you want get ticket reservation, you can call this number 08035396838. I call it for those who are coming for the first time. Hello, 08035396838. The show will happen live at the Muson Center, Shell Hall.
Follycasid. For those who want to follow you on top, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, where they go feel reach you on?
Yeah, Instagram. Follow at Follycasid Cakes.
Wait, Folic Acid, spell your acid because about the, you know.
Okay. FOLLYCASID. S for snake. SID.
Okay.
Snack.
For the same thing for Twitter and Instagram.
Yes.
And
Folic
Facebook.
Acid.
Yeah, Facebook.
So instead of folic acid, folic acid, where you know, you just put A.
Folic
inside the
acid.
C. Folic acid.
Them vibrato.
My Instagram, go.
I'm going to talk your Instagram.
That's it.
Big Bash, Mona, come collect it. Come now.
Come on,
collect it.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.